Corporate on our radar today. Weak execution in Q3 led to a disappointing set of earnings for the company. They have exceeded their FY23 order inflow guidance, while FY24 revenue guidance has been trimmed. PS Patel, who's the chairman, managing director and CEO of the company, joins us now to discuss that. Mr. Patel, I just want to first talk about what could be the reason for this subdued execution that you've seen in the quarter gone by, especially in, Uttar Pradesh. The projects have seen a dip in execution versus what was estimated earlier. Can you confirm if you have reduced your FY23 guidance by 100 crores from 2,200 crores earlier? And do you think this weak execution is something that could take place in Q4 as well?
Good morning. Actually, the weak execution, as I also declared on the call also, and this is mostly because the things are moving on the MEP side and the finishing side, and we are working at 7 different sites with 3 different types of PMC, and these calls are usually taken when it comes to finalization of the items. It goes to the central level of the government that all hospitals are being constructed at par. So some of the decisions were getting delayed. So that has created some loss in revenue on Q3. But yes, Q4, we are still hopeful that we'll be able to make up. But yes, as you asked, that will fall a little bit less, maybe 100 crore. And if that can be a little bit been compensated by what we have started is the Surat Municipal Corporation work, which is going on very fast. And we have just started last week only. So if we can create the 50 crore revenue from that side, that can compensate to our projected target of 2,200 crore.
Okay. All right. Good morning, Mr. Patel. Thanks so much for joining in. So you'll end this year at around 2,200 crores, which is a little lower than what you earlier guided for. But what is encouraging is your order inflow. Now, that's been splendid. I think earlier you were guiding for around 2,500 crores of order inflows. You've already crossed close to 3,500 crores. So two-part question. One is, what do you end this year with in terms of order inflow? And what does it take your order book to?
This present order book stands at 3,294 crore for this year. Yes, I already said that we should be able to reach to 4,000 crore because one of our lowest order is still under process at the government side, Gujarat government. And there are 2 or 3 small orders about in the range of 100 crore plus, which we are discussing since last 15 days, and maybe it can be converted into orders. So I'm still hopeful that we should be able to reach near to the 4,000 crore.
4,000 crores of order inflow, right, sir? Order inflow, 4,000 crores. And total order book will be?
Total order book as of now is about 5,000 crores. So if we can add this 400, 600 crore, it should end at 5,500 crore minus the last quarter of whatever we can generate revenue. That will stand at our start of the quarter year next year.
So this 4,000 crore order inflow, where do these 2 projects feature there, this Pandharpur and Bhiwandi project? That appears to be on a standstill. Can you give us a status check of that on that?
Yeah, Bhiwandi projects, we have already been awarded arbitration and arbitrators are also appointed, so we'll be going for the claim. So now that matter is over and we have to wait till the arbitration is announced. And also at the same time, the Bhiwandi Corporation has given this project to MHADA. So now that project may come again as a tender, but this time the tender will be much more than what it was, what we quoted at that time. It was 650 crore. Now the size has gone almost 3 times, so it will be somewhere in the range of 1,500 to 1,800 crore. So probably we may bid for that project also. And about Pandharpur, yes, again the same story. The financial crunch of the corporation is not able to clear, so we have asked for arbitration in that project also.
Okay, all right, Mr. Patel, let's get a couple of numbers then for FY24. You're going to be sitting on a solid order book. This year you'll end at around 2,200 crores of revenues. For FY24, what is the execution and the rough margin? I think normally you've been guiding for 11-12%. Could you confirm that?
Yeah, the margins we should be in the range of 11 and 12%. And next year, what revenue we can generate, I think it should be somewhere in the range of 20 to 25%, again reaching to 2,700 or 2,800 next year.
Okay, all right. Okay. I just wanted to ask you one more question, sir. Your order book, you said, will be around 5,500 crores. Split it up between private and government?
Yeah, it is about presently the order book from the government side is about 52%. So 52% is government, 48% is private.
Sorry, 52% is government, you said, and rest is private, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And can you tell us what is the current debt on the books now? What is the absolute number and any plans to reduce your debt?
See, presently our total debt, long-term debt is not more than 50 crore, and the short-term debt is about for 140 crore, which is the CCDL which we are using from the our total exposure of 1,047 crore, which we have including bank guarantees. So you can say that long-term debt is 50 crore.
Okay, all right. Okay, we'll leave it at that. Thanks a lot for joining in and taking us through the numbers as well as the way forward. The company is likely to miss their revenue guidance.